how to make chicken soup. Special chef हुनुहुन्छ आजको लागि प्रोफेसर सोनिया अधिकारीबाट
हुँदैन
त्यसपछि अब अनियन चाहिँ जान्छ रेड अनियन यहाँ गरेर झुइङ बनाउने प्रेसर कुकर or some other kind of cooking pot.
प्याज कुट्यो अनि
टमाटो हाल्नु त्यसमा
हातले
put the salt as you need it. Alright. Yeah. Pressure le भने यसो
keep adding keep adding when
yeah. टमाटो पनि झुइङ बनाउने यसरी. This is a local chicken. So now it is ready. Yes,
like saute garnu paryo. We need to
cooking
cook
pot was so small, so now we are using karai. Yes, yes, you can buy this cooking one on Amazon or Walmart anywhere now on this planet. Yeah, we can use it for the soup. I'm going to use this big one for the soup. Yeah, this is the best one anyway.
Have to choose
yes, now
the right
we're
cooking
frying
pot.
chicken.
झोल सेतो झोल अन्त खाली अमेरिकन जस्तो हुन्छ हाम्रो नेपाली पाराको बनाउनलाई चाहिँ बेसार अलि टन्न हाल्यो भनेदेखि अनि
गर्नको लागि चाहिँ little soup goes to the in the
little bit
the other pot. Let it dry completely for about 10 minutes. Now it's almost fried. Now we're gonna take some bones and the meats to make chicken soup. Authentic chicken soup from Maryland.
bone.
Yeah, especially with the bones. Oh, it's the best chicken, and the chicken soup gonna be. Now, chicken soup is here. Now this is the fried chicken. We put a little bit touch of the lemon. Yes, and this will enhance the flavor. Half of the chicken is here, making the chicken soup. Now, chicken soup is ready to serve.
Now I need to add green tea.
Cilantro and green onions, just to add flavor. So it's now good to go.